Okay. Nature cat crying, it's crying, baby. It's so precious. Good baby, good baby. They're crying again. And then Hal cries and squeaks. Good baby, good baby. Good looking baby. He's like, here's a tissue, weirdos. And then, I don't want that back. It's gross. You blew your nose on it, crying babies. And the flamingo's like, what? Quit crying, wussies. And then the flamingo started crying. Look at it. Crying baby. Crying baby. Oh no, they're all crying. Except for the rabbit, she's like, I'm good. Pull it together, people. Pull it together, people. Oh, no, we're done. Oh, look at all the little things crying. Little rat things crying. And then Hal's crying. Oh, no. And then Daisy's like, oh, I want to cry, too. And then like, I'm crying. And Squeak sees her crying. Cry, baby, cry, baby. Oh no, nature. Everybody's crying like babies. Look at them crying like babies. The rat's like, what? All right, pull yourself together.